Malgudi Days, you remember, no?
I don't know.
Swami and Friends. Do you remember the book?
No.
It was based on Malgudi. Oh, you remember? Malgudi Days was based after the independence of India, and it was like the rural India, and it had some strong characters which I really liked, and a very nice, down to earth opening song like na 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 na. ये तो आजकल के बच्चे ये स्नैपचैट पे लगे रहेंगे. You guys, if you remember, please comment.
सबसे ज्यादा स्नैपचैट पे ये पोस्ट
मैंने बुक्स पढ़ी थी which matter more than the show. Okay. The picture better than the movie.
Yeah,
The
yeah.
next show is Chacha
I
Chaudhary.
don't know.
Talking about shows that they haven't watched.
I watched Chacha Chaudhary. What do you mean?
ये NRI.
What do you mean? When you wanna say yes, but you go to the left.
Okay, let me ask her a question. Have you read the Champak comic books?
Yes.
अरे
उसमें भी
चाचा
तो आता था
चौधरी
चाचा
वो बुड्ढा
चौधरी.
था वो ऐसे वो जो ऐसे डंडा लेके चलता
With the
था
red
and
turban.
वो बड़ा सा आदमी उसका बॉडीगार्ड सा होता था जो उसके
Sabu.
लिए like Sabu like you know he used to do all the work for him like you know the beating up people and just like
चाचा
shooting people
चौधरी
and like-
लोगों को पिटवाता था.
I think as in no like he was like the guy who was the body na like the
Yeah.
like the
I think I kind of-
bouncer. Bouncer, yeah.
no he was a muscle
I stood for Chachi Chaudhary. She was the best bitch out there. You know, Sabu and
why does
Chacha.
Chacha Chaudhary every time remind me of the MDS wala uncle ji also the buddha
Because they look the same.
I know that and he's not dying.
होता है.
MD,
Not that we want him to
MDS.
die.
Yeah, I love
don't
him.
want him.
I like
I
him,
love
yeah,
him, but
yeah.
then how is he still, you know, just there? Like,
Because he eats his spices.
Maybe he's just
I think those
like.
spices have something.
Maybe he's that rich that he turned
all of
himself into a
MDH
robot.
Spices.
We are not sponsored by MDH also.
But if you want to sponsor us, you can.
Yes, please.
पैसे
We
चाहिए.
would love it.
Oh, we need money. बेटा.
गरीब लोग के कपड़े भी नहीं पहनने.
Who remembers खिचड़ी?
बड़े लोग बड़े
My
लोग.
lord.
Ah, I forgot about that.
Eh.
Can we do that once?
ए प्रफुल. नहीं, we can't do that again. ए प्रफुल. एप्पल बोले.
April Fool क्या होता है?
अरे हंसा. April Fool.
फूल जो तुम गजरे में लगाते हो वो फूल.
बाबूजी like she was
हाँ.
चाय ला रही हो?
जयश्री
चाय
चाय
ला रही हो या बाहर से मंगवाओ?
परमिंदर ना.
Oh God, why do they have only one Punjabi name in all the shows? Parminder.
And it was so funny because it's true, like all of like it's a unisex
उनके
name.
घर किसी का कॉल आता था, हाँ परमिंदर से बात करनी, पूरी लाइन लग जाती थी परमिंदर की. भाई खानदान कितने परमिंदर हैं?
And that is very
धर्मिंदर ही रख
clever.
लेते किसी का नाम, परमिंदर, धर्मिंदर, राजिंदर, बटिंदर,
Buttinder,
विजेंदर,
Tinder.
Tinder,
ग्राइंडर.
Grinder. Wow यार.
So intelligent.
Ginger.
बस ये वीडियो में ना डालियो.
खत्म हो गया है. What was हंसा के उसका नाम, भाई का नाम? What was ब्रदर जिसकी मूवी भी आई थी, वो जो भाई की शादी बनाते हैं. प्रफुल नहीं.
वो तो
भाई का नाम क्या था?
भाई का नाम बताओ.
कमेंट करो.
भाई का नाम बताओ.
अरे गूगल है बताओ.
नहीं यही
नहीं,
बताइए.
कमेंट
ये कमेंट नहीं करते हैं, ये इसकी खूबसूरती के.
कमेंट करके बताओ कि उसके भाई का नाम क्या था, हंसा के भाई का नाम.
हंसा के भाई का नाम क्या था?
There was also an episode.
पता करो.
There was also an episode
पता
where
लगाओ,
they went-
CID.
where they went to Dubai and like.
Oh, that
Yeah,
was.
yeah.
She bought her gas on the plane and she's like ये कहाँ मैं plug करूँ, मुझे बाबूजी के लिए चाय बनानी है. And they were like, how did you get this inside?
Also, they had that car that never worked and they used to push it around.
And then we had एक खिचड़ी थी, एक सारा भाई था.
Yes.
I love it.
For अमीर लोग.
was सारा भाई.
ऐसा इतने गंदी तरीके से तो गाना नहीं था.
मामा.
Mama,
Mama.
Mama मैंने poem लिखी है Mama.
इतनी.
I wanted to die every time he started with those ridiculous poems. Mama.
He was like the retarded.
He was not retarded. He was special.
He was just slow kid. But the show was so amazing. Like
This is why we
I
all.
died laughing. Like dead.
Also, do you remember the cameo by Malika Sherawat?
No.
She was a bi and she was like they were wrapping a gift. That's the joke I remember. And Indra Vadan was like अच्छा gift wrap कर रही हो and she was like हाय हाय मेरे गांव में रैप होता है, बड़ी गंदी बात है and मैं तो रेप कर रही हूँ.
Oh.
It was so funny. It was so funny. It was so clever.
Rape is not a joke.
Sense of humor is just dark as hell.
Like man.
Not sponsored by Fair and Lovely.
Okay, next show is हम 5-5 है. Again from Doordarshan era.
पाँच ऑल्सो इसमें भी वो टॉम बॉय वाली लड़की थी, क्योंकि टॉम बॉय लड़कियां जरूरी होती है डालना.
They wanted to break the stereotype, no? Like,
that time there were like defined women who were like, you know, tomboy.
90s.
very progressive.
Like when I was a young kid, even I was like in that tomboyish phase, and you know that was a proper phase.
Okay.
Wait, do you like realize in all these shows they're like powerful women?
Oh
Where
my
did they go?
God.
Where did they go? Ab kya
Now all the serials are about how women are just fighting with each other, and these shows were so nice. They like, you know, showed how strong women are, or like, you know, how clever or sassy, or like they showed good
they
funny
took
side.
no shit from no one.
Exactly. And they wanted to show women in a different light. No?
And now they're all like reserved and like
Oh, मेरा पति कहाँ है? मेरा
and like somebody help me with my dying shining armor. Like fuck off.
Like,
मेरा पति मर गया. Oh my god.
oh my
अब मैं क्या
god.
करूँगी? जिंदगी खराब हो गई, पति की मर गया.
मैं किसके लिए रोटी बनाऊंगी? Go.
The best show of them all.
CID.
The best show.
I just want to talk about this show so badly. Okay, सामने लाश पड़ी है, उसमें चाकू है. लगता है यहाँ किसी की मौत हुई है. चाकू से कत्ल किया गया. अरे तेरे सामने लाश है, चाकू उसमें लगा हुआ है, तो कैसे हुआ कत्ल?
मैंने मर्डर नहीं किया. वो एक थप्पड़ मारता था दूसरे रूम में. मैंने ही मर्डर किया है.
यार CID का प्रॉब्लम ये था.
Problem
It's so perfect.
Oh yes.
It's very perfect.
School में even all I used to like these guys used to even play CID. Even college में भी guys used to play CID.
Really?
Because it's so iconic.
Who's the character you hate the most in CID?
The what was the ACP?
ACP Pradyuman. You hate ACP
No.
Pradyuman? Oh my god. Stay away.
किसी का खून हुआ है. बैठे.
Wow.
लगता है यार किसी का खून हुआ है. I can't. What the fuck is happening?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
I don't know what to do with my. Imagine ACP Pradyuman doing that. यार किसी की लाश.
But they were like the best detectives ever.
I fucking hated Abhijit because he was so problematic. उसको ही उसकी याद आ जाती. उसके क्लोन्स आते थे. Look at my. I'm so angry. My head fell off.
But CID was love. It was.
And there was a CID part 2 where they were
ये सीको
younger. कि कोई नहीं.
हर ये बोल रहा है हर शो के सीको थे कोई नहीं किसी ने नहीं देखा. सीक्वल्स
अभी बंद हो गया ना.
Hope you guys like the video and comment about the shows you remember and like.
Which were your favorite shows?
Because we know we missed out on a lot of shows.
And please tell us what was Hansa's brother's name.
Yes.
We have a lot of questions. Please answer them in the comments because we genuinely don't know. We could Google, but we want you
We're
to tell
lazy.
us. Well, हम आलसी लोग हैं तभी तो. Also, we are like all of this shit happened 20 years ago. हमारी यादें उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So I'm sure we missed out on a lot.
हजारों शो थे, अब हम क्या सब थोड़ा देख सकते हैं?
सब देखते थे, but we don't remember.
but इतना कौन?
That's why now we grow up and
देख
like
भाई,
now we
देख.
binge watch Netflix.
Netflix and chill.
Now we know
Now we just
not
Netflix
chill. We just Netflix and no chill.
No chill. So that's all we have for you guys.
I
अबे यार
starting
कब like comment subscribe.
like, comment, share, subscribe.